Hi, hello children. Welcome to our science class. Good morning. Today we are going to see Unit 4 Science in Everyday Life. In Science in Everyday Life lesson, the topic is wastes from school and need for proper disposal of waste. You leave many waste material inside your classroom and throw away many things in the school campus. If they are not collected and disposed properly, your environment will be polluted. Papers, pen and its parts, blades, chocolate covers and plastic items are found in the school environment. The single most common material generated in school is food waste. Food is not only wasted, but it also thrown away everywhere, making your surroundings unclean. Each one in our state capital, which area, children? Chennai, contributes 700 grams of waste every day. It is the highest in our country. In a survey conducted, it is found that food waste accounts for 23.9% of the total waste generated in the school, and recycled paper like cardboard, white paper and mixed papers accounted for 23.5% of the total waste. To keep our surroundings clean, we need to have a proper waste disposable system. So what are the proper disposable of waste system? We are going to see now, children. With so much of wastes lying everywhere, what do you think that we should do? We urgently need a proper waste management system. Waste management is needed for the following reason. First reason, to control pollution, because waste materials pollute our environment. Various pollution like water pollution, air pollution and soil pollution can be avoided. In the previous year's class, we learned about this all the pollution. So to control all the pollutions. Second, to conserve natural resources. What are the natural resources? For example, forest, minerals and water. The waste disposal is important for the conservation of our environmental resources like forest, minerals and water. Then third one, to control spread of disease. Spread of infectious disease can be controlled. So proper disposal of waste. Then last one, recycle for further use. Waste can be recycled to get product for further use. So these are the waste management is needed for the following reasons. So 4 reasons we have saw. First reason, to control pollution. Second reason, to conserve natural resources. Third reason, to control spread of disease. Fourth reason, recycle for further use. Okay children, you understand? Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you children.